How to delete messages on your Instagram mobile application. You can follow this tutorial on your Android or your iOS device, whichever one it is. It will be fine. Before we continue to the tutorial, if you want to see more contents and tutorials like this, please do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Okay, first off, just fire up your Instagram application, and then from there, from your Instagram dashboard, just go to the top right. You can see all of your messages here. For example, you can delete a message from one person. For instance, I will delete this one. You can hold it in your hand with your finger, which person's message that you want to delete, and just click or choose delete. If Instagram prompts you, do you want to permanently delete, or if you chat with this person, then just choose delete, and your messages will be deleted with that person. A word of note that this person on his or her phone will still be able to view the messages that you have been sent to him, her, or a history of messages still kept in his or her device, his or her account. Okay. Now we are switching to how to delete the messages one by one. For instance, I will delete one of the messages that I have sent here with my Autotest account, for example. So to do that, just click on one of the messages that you have already sent, hold it. You will be presented with a context menu or a dialog in Android. It will be a context menu on the iOS. From there, just use unsent message. If any dialog pops up, Instagram will prompt you to really send the message. Choose unsend. Instagram will inform you next that the unsend process is already done. If it is successful, then just click OK. Your message should be unsent on both this device and also the device that your message partner, whatever you call it, or the person that you have conversations with, they are all deleted. That's pretty much how you delete messages on Instagram application. If you find this tutorial helpful and you wanted to see more content tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us simply how to cover, please don't hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, hope it helps. Until the next tutorial, YouTube.